So, okay, so we go back. Now I change the telephone. So this one is with the microphone. I am using this Comica microphone and the full side with the bag and everything. It's quite simple to install. There is nothing needed. You need a connector from 3.5 mm to your cell phone, and that is all what I need. Now I will change to no microphone. Oh, before that, I have some brush. Let me try. This is a new brush, a very small brush. Did I go too strong? I am talking in very soft voice or very low voice, not strong. Okay, I will change the same thing without microphone. Okay, this is the same setup, everything, every condition, and here we do not have microphone. You see, even if I touch it with my hair, I do not know how you hear it, but there is no microphone, this one. Okay, no microphone, and I talk with the same strength. Okay, I put it back on. Okay, now I put it back on, and with this microphone. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.